Today we're going to do an unboxing of this Black Max 16-inch 2-cycle chainsaw. A little review on it. I bought the lot next door, or we're having a fence put in over there, and I got a tree right in the fence line. I cut part of it down the other day using my son-in-law's chainsaw. I don't have access to it at the moment, and so I bought this little one. It was inexpensive on clearance for $138. I think it was regular $178 at Wally World. And so I'm going to unbox this thing, and we're going to try it out down there. Wondering if there's any assembly required with this thing. There's a manual, your little tool for taking out the spark plug and tightening it up, and it comes with a little bit of 2-cycle oil there to mix your fuel. There she is. Looks like she's completely together. I'm going to read through the manual here and then see what I've got to do. Okay, I read through my manual, and it's pretty simple. Fill it up with fuel, fill it up with chain oil, prime it, make sure your chain brake is in the right position. So they're going to take and fuel it up. So fuels this one, and the chain oil is plainly marked. Pretty simple. And it says to prime this little button 10 times. 9 and 10. The other little on-off button, so that's stop, that's on. Choke, pull out. Show you just a few things. Got your idle screw right here, so you can idle it up or down. Your choke, your primer button, and your on-off switch. And then pull back to release your brake. Pretty cool. Now I'm going to go down and show you what we're working with. I got to get the tractor out and go from there. Okay, well, we just got to load up a few things. We will load up the saw. Having to pull this tree out of some bushes, I think. Put my fuel and my chain oil in here. Okay, first we got to open the gate. Gate opener is kind of slow, but it's lasted 3 years. So we can't complain about that. Crank up the old tractor. yes, I'm parked a little ways back, but there's reason for that. I don't want to be filming this and drop this darn thing on my tractor. Or on my camera for that matter. It's got a big base on it. It's not a huge tree. I took half of it off. As you see, it is right in the fence line. Yeah, I took the limb off here because I thought that would be enough, but turns out the hole's right there. So this is the guy we're going to do, and sorry, I'm trying to decide how I'm going to drop this thing. I realize this is a little far back, but just in case it doesn't do like what I'm supposed to do, this tree that it's under will give my camera a little bit of protection. So let's see how this works. It's going to go the way I wanted it to go the first time, so I'm going to get the tractor and make sure it goes that way. You can tell I haven't done that in a long time. I was a little worried about how it was going to do. But that's fine. That's how I dropped the others. Just didn't want it to go in the fence. Now to get that thing off of there and then cut my stump up. just not used to using it. And I'm not a lumberjack. I'm a noob. Okay, I got my initial cut set up there. Get these two big ends off of here. I gotta get this thing out of the way. I'm gonna set this up where we can get a bird's eye view of the chainsaw. And that was through a knot. Gotta love that tractor, don't you? Well, there you go. She don't work bad. Got those cut up relatively quick, and now I'm going to start picking up the logs with my
with my bucket there and move them over. Then pull this on out, finish cutting it up, and then get that stump whacked off. But all in all, she's working pretty good. That's the Black Mac 16. You get it at Walmart, and I'll try to leave a link in Amazon if you want one. Maybe I can find a better price. I'll look for one after I'm done here. Look down below to find a link for this saw, and I'll update the video when they get the fence up tomorrow, hopefully. Be sure and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And until the next video, this is the Nude. I'm out.